Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you this afternoon. I'm going to be showcasing the new knife I got. This right here, made in France, born in Austin. These are made knives, made in right here. Check it out. Really nice looking knife here. Kind of French style, I guess you would say. But we're going to do some cabbage. I'm going to do some real cabbage. Bust it up this afternoon. Basically what we're going to do with this, just to kind of give it a first good run. That'd be a good objective for it. You see how we do there? And the cabbage is really kind of hard to cut, especially when you root it out and try to get the stem out like that. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're doing right here, is just busting the root out of the cabbage. It seems to work very well for that. I'm going to shred this cabbage up and put it in the pan over here. That's what we're going to do. We'll do that with some sausages and stuff like that. So we'll just use this knife for this afternoon. I think this will be great. No problems there. Bust it up this way, just like that. You see how I'm doing there? Boom. Just right there, a little made in. Did really good for that. I'm gonna throw this over here in the pan. We're gonna go with an onion too. Take the onion, we're gonna bust up with it real quick. This ought to be pretty simple. Through here, just gonna dice this onion. A little white onion to go in here, because that's really makes this cabbage stand out. Go through there, we'll get that skin out the way. Just quick dice, just like that. And then fall right apart. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Put that down, just dice around there. Yeah, that's good right there. That's what we'll use for the cabbage. Alright, so I get this diced up here. And knife kind of cleaned off. So I'm gonna do a little olive oil on there. I got some Cajun seasoning. I like to use this just some Wilsons. Let's just open this up here and get a good bit of Cajun seasoning on here. All right. I've got another pan. We're going to kind of transfer this stuff back and forth just to mix it up. Between this and another pan just like this, I'm going to show you. See kind of how we got there? I'll zoom y'all out some so you can see what I'm doing. That'll help this stuff just to kind of mix. Okay? Mix it around over here. Get the oil, the Cajun seasoning, everything on there. That's the best way I know to do it, you know, just to mix, incorporate everything in there. Just go from pan to pan, kind of like that. And onions and mixed in there. Then we'll actually go back in this other pan here in a second, and I'll show y'all why. Alright y'all, now I got some sausages. This is some nice good andouille, good smoked Cajun sausage. I'm gonna do. Then I'm going to bust it in half. Down through here. Alright. I want to make some smaller pieces with it because this is just going to incorporate flavor throughout the cabbage and everything else. Dad, I messed that up. What the heck am I doing? Anyway, so bust it up about like that. Maybe quarter it. And down there. And we'll just bust it just like this. And all through down in there. And we'll put that in the pan kind of on the bottom. Now I'll kind of mix that in with the some of the lettuces, okay? The lettuces, the cabbage, onions and all that good stuff. So we'll put that over there in the pan. So I got all the andouille mixed in over there with the cabbage. Now look, I got some frozen sausage. It's gonna be the real test of the made in. We're gonna slice this up a little bit and kind of put this across the top. Okay? Bam, look at that knife just slid right through it. Right through it. So we're gonna make some diagonal cuts just like that. We're gonna make some pretty looking cuts. This is just your regular good Cajun sausage. May have some green onions in or something. Some I had in the freezer here. And I said, man, this would be nice putting this cabbage. You know, as a garnishment on top. Also give you a good little tasty bite of the sausage. So that's what we'll do with this. We'll bust it up and just put it across the top, y'all. Let me show you how I'm gonna do it over here. Just a second. All right, see, I'm just gonna lay it just like that. These little frozen pieces, slices, and we use that as a big garnish across the top. There it is, ready for the cooker. All right, so I put it out here on the Y640. Show y'all, got about 275, and we'll just let it roll for a while.